Namaste everyone, this is Sandeep and welcome to my channel Only Study by Sandeep Thiman. Today we are going to start new lesson number 8, Land and the People. In this chapter we are going to study about the characteristics of some regions of the world to understand the lives of the people within different natural ecosystems. So the regions of the study are the Sahara and Ladakh deserts, prairies and wild grasslands, Amazon basins and Ganga Brahmaputra basins. Okay, first of all, we'll study about the life in desert. So, which type of life is there in deserts? First of all, we need to know about the desert. What is a desert? So, desert is a place where the temperature is extreme, the rainfall is very low, and the vegetation is scanty, means less vegetation or almost no vegetation. Okay, in chapter 6 we have already categorized deserts in hot and cold. Now we'll know about more about these deserts. First of all, we'll study about Sahara desert. Sahara is a hot desert. Okay, now what is hot desert and what is cold desert? So hot and dry landscape covered with layers of sand having very scanty vegetation is known as hot desert. Okay, so these are the characteristics. It will be hot, it will be dry, it will have layers of sand, and it will have very scanty vegetation. Okay, such places are known as hot deserts. Now here we have the Sahara desert is world's largest and hottest desert. Let's see here in the picture. Let me show you first. This is this yellow part. This is Sahara desert. Okay, and it is the largest and hottest. Sahara, the word Sahara means in Arabian language it means desert, and it covers almost the entire northern parts of Africa. So it is clear to you, this is Africa and it is in its northern parts, north, south, east, west. Okay, now its location. First of all, here, this is in this picture, it is here. This is north, this is south, this is east, and this is west. Now look here. In its northern part, here you can see here. Let me zoom it. This is Mediterranean Sea. Okay, and here this is west side. This is Atlantic Ocean. This is this side. This is Red Sea. Not this is this here. Just a minute. This one. This is Red Sea. Okay, and one more left. Here are sand dunes. Okay, mounds of sand dunes. One more thing that I forgot, but I show you here. Here are Atlas Mountains. Okay, in its north side. Now look here. So it covers almost entire northern part of Africa, and it lies between the Atlantic Ocean in the west, as I told. Here is Atlantic Ocean, Red Sea in the east here, and Mediterranean Sea here in the north, and huge mounds or sand dunes are here. Okay, and this river is Nile River. Okay, and it is also bounded by a chain of mountains in the north. Here I told you. Okay, north side there are Atlas Mountains. Hope up to here everything is clear to you. Look here now. As I told, Nile river is there. So Nile river is the only source of water, and the sand dunes, they are quite common. Temperature very hot and dry, and sky is always clear, means there is no rainfall, only 20 centimeters at noon, and It is very hot during the day and very cold during the night. The temperature in daytime is about 43 degrees Celsius, and in the night it is about 10 degrees Celsius. If we talk about, look here, the highest recorded temperature is in Sahara Desert. It was about 58 degrees Celsius at Al Ajijia, which is in Libya. Libya is a country, Al Ajijia is a place. And where is it in Sahara Desert? It is in the northern part of Sahara. Hope you got everything. Let's discuss about the vegetation now. So you can see here in the picture about the vegetation. So as I told, the temperature is very high and rainfall is very low. So vegetation cover is scanty or almost nil there, except Nile River Valley. Near to Nile River Valley, there are vegetations found. Sahara is sparsely covered with vegetations like grasses, shrubs, and bushes. And the roots of these plants are deep in the soil to absorb moisture. Important plants, cactus and date palm. Date is the most common fruit here, and both animals and people eat dates. With the sap of date tree, wine is made. Okay, date tree is used to make wine, and the seeds of date fruits are crushed and used for as fodder for the camel and the goats. And leaves and trunks are used for making baskets, ropes, and doors. So I told you, sap is used for making wine. Sap of the tree is used to make wine. Fruits are used as, after crushing, used as fodder. And leaves and trunks, they are used to make baskets, ropes, and doors. This is important thing, maybe in your question exercise. If we talk about the animal species, then common species are fox, jackal, sand fox, and camel. Camel has a hump at its back that stores enough fat and can live without food for several days. Numerous reptiles are there. So reptiles are frog, snake, crocodiles. If we talk about the insects, then scorpions and spiders are found there in Sahara Desert. If we talk about the northwestern part, then it is known as Rocky Desert. This is important. And most of the land is barren and uninhabited. Nobody wants to live in desert because there is no water, and conditions are very, very tough to live in. Density of population is low. Population is mainly concentrated near the water bodies like oases. What is oasis? Oasis is a place in the desert where there is water and plants grow. Okay, vegetation is there. Oasis, the pronunciation is oasis, right? This is the pronunciation. And the cultivation of crops is possible around the oasis. So oasis, this is the plural of oasis. And if we talk about the major crops, then maize, barley, wheat, millets, beans, etc. And people, this type of clothes they wear, so they wear white and loose clothes to wear the heat. Clear? So this is all for the day. Rest of the lesson we'll discuss in next video. Thank you.